Okay, for number 7, we have two functions. F of x is equal to x squared minus 5, and g of x is equal to x over 2. We are going to evaluate these two expressions. For the first part, we are going to do f of negative 2. This means we are just going to refer back to our formula. Just think about a function like a formula. Okay, the formula f. And what we're going to do is, notice that f of x is equal to x squared minus 5. And when the question says f of negative 2, this means we are just going to plug in negative 2 into all the x that we see right here. And we are going to get f of negative 2 is equal to plugging negative 2 into x and use parentheses accordingly. So open the parentheses, the negative 2 goes inside of the parentheses, square minus 5. Alright? So this will be the setup. Now we are going to work it out. For this part here, this is negative 2 times negative 2. You are going to get positive 4. Once again, this is negative 2 times negative 2. You are going to end up with positive 4. And you subtract 5 from that. 4 minus 5, you get negative 1. And that will do it for part A. Okay, that will do it for part A. Alright, for part B, we are going to calculate f of g of 8. And the correct order for this is that we have to figure out what g of 8 is first. We have to figure out what g of 8 is first. And that will be similar to part A, but we have to use the g formula right here, the g function here instead. So we know that g of x is equal to x over 2. And g of 8 means we are going to plug in 8 into all the x that we have right here. And we are going to get g of 8 is equal to 8 over 2. Then what we are going to do is 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. That's pretty much it, right? That's pretty much it. To continue with this becomes f stays the same, alright? Open the parentheses, but the inside g of 8, we know g of 8 is equal to 4, so we are going to plug in 4 into that parentheses right here. Now, the question becomes, we have to calculate what f of 4 is equal to. And for that, I'm just going to plug in 4 into all the x that we have into the f formula, right? So we are going to get 4, and that should go inside of a parentheses, 4 parentheses, and that will be minus 5 afterward. 4 squared means 4 times 4, so we get 16, and we bring down the minus 5. 16 minus 5, it's 11. That's it.